Hi everyone, welcome back to our Rasmite developer. In today's video, we are going to walk through a simple yet interesting Java program that rearrange element in an array, moving all the non-zero element to the front and filling the remaining position with zero. Let's write the code what we are doing in that code. Okay, first of all, first we are just declare a hello world class and the main method which is entry point for our program. Okay, it's the initial approach to write a Java program. Okay, after that, just we have declare I have declared an array with the name arr and some with a some integer in that. Okay, and includes zero also in that array, and determine n is for the length of that array. Okay, after that we are initializing a variable named count to set it to be a zero. This variable will be used to track the position where the next non-zero element should be placed. Okay, after that we are using a loop to iterate this. Okay, so we do this by checking if each element with the it's a loop for iterating the values. Okay, after that, in this, if we are that's the if condition in which we are going to check if every array element is non-zero, and if so we assign it to the position indicate by the count and then increment that count. Okay, so what's this line say? If my array arr of I means the zeroth values means 1 is not equals to 0. If this condition is true, then the 1 will assign to count. Okay, at this count will be 0. At the 0th position the 1 will assign. Okay, after this, it will regularly iterate these values at that time how it should be not equals to the n length. Okay, after that we are doing this, and through this we are just make our arrays 1, 2 and 3. In that array we have just arranged the non-zeroth value to the first position, but now we have all non-zeros element where we can assign. Okay, at this time array of count plus plus, at this initial time the value of that count should be 4, and the zeroth will add it to the 4 and it will still added, and that much time if the count is not smaller than would not be greater than smaller than n. Okay, after that we have just used to it's basically used to soak as a modified array to show you a modified array. So here's the simple program, and I will run this program and you can see the output. What's the output? Okay, and that's it. We have successfully moved all the non-zero element to the front of the array and fill the remaining position with 0. This technique can be quite useful in various scenarios where you need to rearrange array element based on a specific condition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.